There is a lot of noise in the market. Everyone is talking about AI. But here is a program to learn the real AI from a data scientist with 21 years of experience. And we are launching our live cohort on April 19, that is 2 days from now. And this is an amazing opportunity for anyone who is looking for guidance and who is looking for real AI, not the ones that are the no code, low code solutions that are just building the superficial layer, but you don't understand the basic foundations that we are going to go through, right? Foundations are very important. A lot of people come to me and say, Muhammad, there are a lot of people telling that you can learn AI in couple of master classes. I tell they are just selling you wrong information. Using a chat GPT or using a basic automation is not AI. Understanding Python, how these APIs work, what is this fast API frameworks, what is this protocol, that how these AIs talks to each other, what is a large language model, what is a vector database, how does enterprise use their private data, where to store the data, what is fine tuning, how to customize our LLMs for answering our own specific requirements, what are agents, how do agents talk to each other, how do you make agentic AI systems, how do you automate things for your work. All these things come under real AI, which we are covering in this 20 masterclasses series, where you go step by step. We build upon every masterclass, right? We build upon it. Like we do the foundation, then we do foundation plus 1, foundation plus 2, why we are doing this, why we are not doing this, and we build the whole story, and we give hands-on as well to people who are joining the masterclass to make sure that they are able to run as well and understand what's happening, which is very, very important for every one of you to there. So we have this whole website. I will not talk much about this, but it is very much different from everything out there, right? This is a 6-month journey with me, and we select very few people who are invested and interested to give their time and energy, right? The problem that we are trying to solve are many people who come to us, right? They are not first timers. They have tried a lot of things. They are stuck in this tutorial cycle that is there. We only know that the self-paced courses in Udemy, there was a report, only there are 5% people who actually complete, who buy the Udemy courses. I'm not even talking about the free and the Coursera that is there. Even if a person is paying $10, only 5% of the people actually complete these type of things. People just leave away. So we all know this, and why we are doing this particular thing, we are not telling people how to just superficial level, but actually building real AI applications, the real core of AI applications, and not just the superficial level. If it breaks, what happens? We are going to try to go there. That is the reason why we have created this big program. And that is one thing, that it's a big program. People feel this commitment is too much, 6 months commitment that is there, but this is important, and that is the reason why today I'm also having this video. You need to give some time. You have to learn with us. You have to go through practice, real world AI projects. I am mentor. We have 7 to 8 extremely talented mentors who are going to be there. We are going to also help you in building your portfolio, building your career profile for you to showcase, and many people have done that and succeeded in various stages of their life. And you are going to build everything, right? It's not just going to be no code, low code tools. It's going to be completely from scratch Python, understanding everything, understanding RAG. Even in our master classes in the previous cohorts, we made people do fine tuning of LLMs by themselves, deploy AI applications, AI APIs, and now we are also working on the latest thing that all of you know about, MCP, Model Context Protocol. That is also getting included in your cohort that is going to start in 2 days. What are the program benefits, right? Weekly we have master classes, we have workshops, we have doubt clearing sessions. We have a small group of 8 to 10 people, so it's going to be completely one-to-one. Everyone's doubt is getting cleared. Hands-on project building. There are a lot of project opportunities that are already there. You can have a look at that. There are few projects that are mandatory that you need to do while you're in the academy. How you can showcase your projects to portfolios and all those things. And we have a huge community of 160k that includes thought leaders, hiring managers, investors, even big technical people are there, as well as a huge community to learn with as well, right? So the fourth cohort is going on right now. We have learned amazing stories. We have people who never were very scared of even writing a simple Python code. Now they are building end-to-end applications, right? And these things have really helped them, given them the correct materials. The problem is materials are there, right? What we have done, we have put everything together and given you such a path, and the way we are telling it to you, right, that your foundations are strong. We very much focus on the foundation, that if anything new comes in, right, you will be able to pick up. So now if any of our AI residents, they want to attend these MCP workshops, they can attend that and they can really pick up what is a model context protocol. If you don't understand LLMs, AI agents, LangChain and all those things, you will not be able to pick it up. So that's the reason why we are focusing on that foundational layer and understanding how these things work, so you can pick up other things very easily, right? And this is not another course. This is a very different apprenticeship style, real building experience. Everyone will have a personalized path. They will have a specific Notion notebook where they are tracking their progress, and it is a complete support system, right? Because content, you also can access our content through AI for Builders program and our AI guild, but this is something different, right? We have designed assessments, quizzes, master submissions and everything in such a way that is there. Right now the total program fee is $3,000. This is the regular this is the price that is there. We are giving a scholarship of 50% that makes up to $1,500. This is the regular price that people are paying nowadays in the current because of the 50% scholarship one time. What we have done, because people don't want to commit for 6 months, what we have done is we are open for people who are serious after the talk to pay this initial amount, $249 per month, right? And for the people who are listening to this video and who are listening to this particular and want to take a action, so they can reach out to us. We will be talking to them and giving them this at $199 a month. So it's just going to be $1194 for the whole program. So you just need to give out $199 in a month, and I have the guarantee, right? If you are continuing, you will continue. That's it, you will continue. And the payment and monthly plan is something that I have pushed for this time, because I want more and more interested people to join in this program and learn from this. So take this opportunity. This is the lowest price that we have gone for our AI residency. There are 3,000 is our price, but people are now, if you want to take advantage of this whole series, you need to get the LMS access will be there, and you can take it further. So the cohort is starting on Saturday. This April 19th is going to be the onboarding. That is the reason why we are doing this appeal to everyone. That there are 2 spots that are ready for you to get filled at that particular price. Very few seats are there, but 2 spots are there for that particular price, $119 a month. And it is we are getting a lot of inquiries, so please take action. Go to decodingdatascience.com/AI residency and start applying, right? And let's build together. Direct mentorship from me with 21 years experience. We have additional mentors as well whom you want to get into touch according to your industry and space. Real world results are there. You will have the community support, and turn your AI learning into a real world value step by step. So thank you very much, and go to our website again, decodingdatascience.com/AI residency. Go through the website. There is a link as well to book a free one-on-one with me if you are really confused and you are really interested, but you are really stuck on making the right decision for you. There are some videos on this platform. Have a look at these videos and start understanding what this works, and take up this opportunity. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to learn and implement AI in your workspace. Thank you very much.